Hello, so today I'm going to walk you through a marquee advertising campaign, and this is my first marquee advertising campaign. I'm going to show you the results. I'm going to show you how it works and what it looks like. So let's go down here. So as soon as you become eligible for marquee, it sits next to discovery mode. As soon as you become eligible, all of your more latest releases, I think up to the last 30 to 60 days, will appear here, and then you can click on the create campaign mode. So I'm just going to quickly do that just to show you what it looks like. So when you create a campaign, you select the artist, there's only one there, and click on next, and then you can only select one country, and this is just a demonstration, so I'm only going to select one random country. You select your start date, and you've got customization, so you can select what the thing looks like that. Just scroll down a bit. Destination, target audience, and all I did was just leave all the defaults in there, and I put a $100 budget like this. You can put as much as you want, and then you click next, and there you have it. Kind of my analysis of it and what I felt, because I did two marquee campaigns. I did them for two of my more recent releases. The first one I did was £100, as you can see there, £100, and the second one I did it for £90. So I think there is a minimum amount that you can put in, but you can stop the ad at any time. So you can click on these three buttons here, and you can download the results. I'm pretty sure you can stop the campaign just like that. What kind of disappointed me is I thought I was going to spend 100, but I ended up spending just £32. And this is after Spotify told me that it is likely that you will spend all the money, because they have a message near the end saying that it's likely. So I was a bit disappointed by that, but let's go in and have a quick look at the results. So if we just have a look at how it looks here, it says here the marquee only targeted people who have intentionally streamed your promoted release. So there are obviously other people that streamed the release, and you can see here a reach of 477. You had 95 clicks. So for £32 you had 95 clicks. Then you have a breakdown of audience developed. So you have amplified audience, which is kind of active audience members who streamed, and then reactivated, which is previously active. And these are new people. So 47 new people decided to listen to the streams. And what happens is these performance details, so all of this information doesn't stop updating until the 3rd of March. Today's the 18th of February. So it's kind of still updating, but currently we have 47 converted users, 1.28 active streams per listener, intent rate of 14.89, playlist ads are free, 12 saves. So out of 47 people that listened, 12 saved and free added to playlist. And you can see here your converted listeners also streamed your other releases after seeing your marquee. So they went ahead and added 3 other songs to playlists and saved another song. That's all really interesting information, but I just brought a spreadsheet up, so I just want to do a bit of math here. I think I did it before. So £32, we had 95 clicks and 47 converted listeners. The math shows me that it cost 68 pence, which is about 80 cents American, per conversion. So that is on the high side, to be honest, but it only spent £30. It really didn't have much time to warm up, to be honest, and it just stopped. The campaign just stopped. So that was disappointing. But let's just go back and have a look at the other song. There was 2 songs that I did a campaign for, and this one's called Pain. This one looks like it did a little bit better. So 59 clicks, a bigger reach. It spent almost about £20 out of the 90, which is good. So 1 active listener and 25 new active listeners. The other one had 47 new active listeners. So actually it's not maybe that good, because out of that reach and clicks, we only had 30 converted listeners and very similar active listener per stream. It's actually not very good, actually. You'd be looking at normally with Facebook ads about 2, 6 playlist ads, 8 saves. And then after the conversion, they listened to other releases and they active streamed 2 of the other releases. So let's just go and have a look at the spreadsheet here again. Let's just plug this number in. So let's say it was £19, and then we had 30 active listeners. So kind of a similar result. It's 63 pence, which is about very similar to about 70 American cents. So results wise, pretty crap, to be honest. Now, I can compare this to Facebook ads. So if you compare it to the first song, the one that had 47 conversions, this one has a cost result of 26 pence, which is way better than the 60 pence. And it has 168 conversions there. And I spent £43 in total for, this is maximum for the campaign. So let's just do a comparison there. So for the first song, it was £32, 47 conversions. And if we go to the Facebook ads, we spent $43.40. We can be more accurate there. We had a 168 result, and we just copy the formula. Yeah, 26. So pretty much spot on. So the results are way, way different. For Facebook ads, they're way better. So, and I'll put the link to the Sue songs just below so you can take a listen to them if you want. So basically, all I can say is Facebook ads perform way, way better than marquee ads. That's at the moment. What I don't know is if they perform better if you push more money into them, or if you have a bigger spread, or you choose a different country, because at the end of the day, you're only allowed to choose a single country in the marquee ad, and I chose the US. So if we're talking about the US alone, the US is always going to be more expensive. So in that case, maybe it is a kind of similar situation in terms of the result. But with Facebook, you have the flexibility to target any country you want. So why would you go with the marquee campaign? Well, the only thing I can think of is with the marquee campaign, some people have had really good results with it. So I think it's definitely worth trying for yourself, because you might get different results to what I got. So I hope that was helpful. If you've got any questions at all about any of this, please feel free to contact me through the comments. Thank you. Bye-bye.